So hello everyone, today in this video let's see how to download and install Visual Studio application on our system. VS Code is a free code editor by Microsoft which supports almost all programming languages and comparatively easier to use as well. Firstly, open up any of the browsers, so I'll go with Chrome and search for Visual Studio Code. Ignore all those ad and sponsored websites that appears in the first position and click on this exact official website. So the link of the official website will be given down there in the description, so you can access it from there as well. Once this interface opens up, you'll find the current version of the VS Code application, that is 1.88, and simply click on the download button that is available all the way up there. Now this will redirect you to one more web page in which you'll find different download options for different operating systems. So choose your options accordingly. So I'll go with Windows since my operating system is Windows, and simply click on the blue download button that is available down there, and the downloading of the file takes place. The file for the VS Code application is being downloaded, so let's wait for the file to completely download. Once the file is completely downloaded, double click on that file and this interface will pop up on your screen. Simply agree to the condition that the VS Code is demanding for and check all of these checkboxes, as it makes the VS Code run efficiently on your system. Especially if you want to get access to the VS Code application from your desktop, this is a check mark that you must click on. Keeping the settings in the default state, press the next button and then install button. Now the VS Code is installing on your system. Once the installation process is done, click on the finish button. Now this will redirect you to the VS Code application on your system. Now this is the interface of VS Code application. Now you can write, edit and debug code on this interface and make the best use of the VS Code application. So this implies that you have successfully installed VS Code on your system. So that's it, the installation process of VS Code. It was as easy as cake. So if you really felt that this video was informative, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for our next video. Till then, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.